where you came from, but this road is yours to trail, made to mold into a song that's sung before your day.
I fell apart 1,000 times. I'm tired of thinking it's raining, but something in your eyes is shining on me. You say it's time to let go. I say, where you going with my heart? I'm so afraid of getting lost. Tell me where you going with my heart. I say, where you going? Where you going? Where you going with my heart?
Sunscreen is very important.
Especially when
color paint using the materials that was provided for them to bring across what is.
Yes, enjoy it himself.
Yes, outdoors. Through guided assessments with our coaches. Engage in exercise and sport recommended for you based on the Singapore Physical Activity Guidelines. 1, 2, 3, wait! Sanpoutei, the caring and generous elephant from Community Chest. The 40-year-old is proof that caring never gets old. Hygiene, and Captain Green encourages everyone to keep Singapore clean and green. It's a 73-strong band. Let's give it up for them as they play In the Stone by Earth, Wind, and Fire. Watch the Swift skaters as they perform in front of the red section. The contingent consists of 20.
Singapore, they can see you!
With 2,100 jobs.
And last but not least, when you summon them from you guys, so please make sure you wave your flags and welcome them home. Let's go, Singapore! Up next, first one up is up, board. We got him. Ladies and gentlemen, here's the pada. Let's give the red to
To be united as one. On stage, a protective barrier surrounds the people as blocks converge, symbolizing external threats, and that military alone is not enough.
There was a time when
Ladies and gentlemen, let's wave our flags for our president. Come on, Singapore!
Common story. Punggol.
The tactical unmanned aerial vehicle has eyes on the potential threat. The high mobility artillery rocket systems are ready to engage the threat with their highly precise strike capabilities. Now watch as our HIMARS simulate the execution of a long... Watch as our soldiers dismount and advance up the seating galleries. Suspicious vehicle threat. The new generation fast response car from the Singapore Police Force is swiftly forming a barricade. Watch as our SPF ground response. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the NDP 2024 show!
I still hold you in my heart when these days have been and gone. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. As time goes by, wanna keep heading round the circles, never letting go, never letting go.
À,你翻斗咗。